In this video, we will review your options for how Tempus calculates team costs. The first step is to browse to Resource Management. Next, we'll search for our team. In this case, the infrastructure team. We'll go ahead and click on the name, and then from the Attributes page, we'll expand the System Fields grouping. Within the System Fields grouping, you'll find all three available options for how Tempus calculates team costs. Option 1 is to manually provide an hourly rate. For example, $2,500 per hour. In this case, Tempus would calculate the cost for the team based on the number of hours multiplied by this rate. The second option is to supply an advanced rate structure which may change over time. In this case, we'll supply rates which may change over time. In this case, perhaps starting with $2,500 per hour and then escalating to $3,000 per hour, and then ending with a rate of $4,000 per hour. The third option is to allow Tempus to auto-calculate the team's cost based on its membership. As resources are added and removed from the team, Tempus will auto-calculate this hourly rate, which factors in the rate structure of each team member. With the appropriate cost calculation in place, we'll now select Update. At this point, whenever the infrastructure team is assigned, Tempus will automatically and correctly calculate its costs.